Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create an FTP account on your cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, for this, what is the prerequisite? And the prerequisite is that your hosting provider has to have given your account access to FTP. If they have not, then you can just use the cPanel file manager, which is simple to use and it has a very nice GUI. However, if you actually need the FTP, you must have the access through your account. If they have enabled it, it might be tied to the package you're currently subscribed to, or if not, you can just contact them and they should be able to help you with any of your needs for FTP accounts. However, if you have access to FTP, then you of course need to use the full FTP account username, which is of course account@domain.com. And you can use your cPanel's account username and password. However, it needs to be the full username and password to log in. But once you do, you can create an FTP account. Now, what you need to do, you just need to enter the desired username in the login text box, then select the desired domain from the menu. Then you need to enter a secure password and confirm it through the password and password again text boxes. And some web hosts require a minimum password strength, so keep that in mind when creating your FTP account. And then you just need to enter your the FTP account's home directory, and the directory text box defines the new account's top level of directory access. If you enter, for example, example in the directory text box, it can only access the home user example directory and all its subdirectories. And the system automatically populates this with the public HTML domain.tld account, where account represents the username, of course, which you've put in, and you cannot use symbolic links to upload data outside of this directory. And then you'll need to enter the disk space quota, which you can do manually, or you can select unlimited. And if an FTP account experiences problems with uploads, you may need to increase the quota value. And that is pretty much it. Then you just click create FTP account, and the new account will be in the table for those accounts. And yeah, if you want to change the quota, you just need to go to and click on change quota for the FTP account, enter the disk space quota or select unlimited, and then click change, and that should be it. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.